Welcome to the Office of Inspector General's Public Safety Section webpage covering the Chicago Police Department's disciplinary process. Here you'll find a detailed explanation of the disciplinary process for CPD members, which plays an important part in keeping our police force accountable and our city safe. City ordinance requires the Public Safety Section to review and audit all sustained findings of CPD misconduct and disciplinary recommendations, and to determine the consistency and fairness with which CPD members are disciplined. OIG has developed a set of flowcharts to explain the disciplinary process, which can be very complicated. This process is described in its entirety in the document titled A Guide to the Disciplinary Process for Chicago Police Department Members, which includes detailed information on each stage of the process, as well as footnotes with sources. When an investigating agency finds that a CPD member has committed misconduct and recommends discipline, the CPD member may be able to challenge that disciplinary recommendation, which can lead to the reduction or elimination of the discipline. The procedural rights and options of the member depend on their rank or position and on the initial discipline recommended by the investigating agency. For this reason, OIG has also developed separate charts depicting the disciplinary process for each rank and position and each type of discipline. For example, the chart titled Police Officer Reprimand details everything that might happen in the disciplinary process when a CPD member at the rank of police officer receives a disciplinary recommendation of reprimand from an investigating agency. Each flowchart includes a charts overview section, which provides information to help you interpret the flowcharts. Reading from left to right, there are figures and symbols found within the flowcharts, acronyms and terms for agencies and actors involved in the disciplinary process, a high-level overview of the process, and the definitions for the different allegation findings that may result from an investigation. Now we'll briefly review the contents of these sections. As seen here in chart figures and symbols, the red figure denotes the start of the process, blue figures indicate all the possible endpoints of a disciplinary case, rectangular boxes denote steps within the process, and diamonds indicate a point in the process where a decision affects the next steps in the process. The acronyms and terms section provides a list of frequently used terms throughout the flowcharts. Some acronyms describe investigating agencies, such as BIA, the Bureau of Internal Affairs, and COPA, the Civilian Office of Police Accountability. Other acronyms describe the unions representing CPD members, such as FOP, the Fraternal Order of Police, and PBPA, the Policemen's Benevolent and Protective Association. At the conclusion of an investigation, allegations of misconduct are classified as either unfounded, exonerated, not sustained, or sustained. If the allegations are sustained, meaning the investigating agency finds that the member committed the misconduct at issue, the agency will make a recommendation for the level of discipline they believe should be issued. If allegations are unfounded, exonerated, or not sustained, no discipline will be recommended. We hope you find these flowcharts informative and helpful to understanding the complexity of CPD's disciplinary process. If you have further questions about how to use these charts or suggestions for improvement, please contact us by emailing communications@igchicago.org.